know what? I actually played this really cool video because I have an intro and an outro video, and I'll just share a small clip of it.
Oh, I love your son.
And that's a rap that you can find on my website or on my social medias. That rap, I won't like make you go through it, but it says my name many times. Dan Chan, corporate magician in San Fran. And it says it a lot. And the reason why I did that was I had someone show up to my show and I asked them, well, I met them on the street later and they said, oh, I love magic. I saw a magician over Zoom. They did not even know it was me.
Wow.
They saw me 6 months and then they kind of forgot. And I asked him, was the magician good? And he says, yeah, he was really great. I really enjoyed it. Could not remember the name for the life of them. So I just made this rap and I said, make sure you say my name in the rap several times. Now, my kids are all embarrassed because they hear the rap all the time. Sometimes they'll sing and chant it, and half the time they're going to be like, oh, Dad, not your rap again.
That's how it goes. Yeah. It's like,
and if you can't promote yourself like that, you need to hire someone who's willing to shamelessly promote themselves, because I think that's part of the business aspect of it. You need to learn how to promote but have a healthy balance.